Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape check engine light flickers issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A flickering check engine light in the Ford Escape is commonly described as the indicator briefly turning on and off, flashing under acceleration or load, or appearing intermittently without remaining steadily illuminated. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive diagnostics data indicate that flickering behavior differs from a constant warning light and can occur across multiple Ford Escape model years, with relevance depending on engine design, emissions control systems, and onboard diagnostic strategy. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves engine misfire detection. When the engine control system detects irregular combustion events that meet specific thresholds, the check engine light may flicker or flash to indicate potential catalyst damaging conditions. Another confirmed cause relates to intermittent sensor signal behavior. Sensors monitoring airflow, engine speed, or combustion conditions may produce unstable signals due to contamination, wiring integrity issues, or internal degradation, causing temporary warning activation. Fuel delivery or ignition system irregularities are also a documented factor. Momentary disruptions in fuel supply or ignition performance can trigger brief fault detection events without producing a constant warning. Electrical or wiring integrity is another verified consideration. Loose connectors, grounding issues, or fluctuating voltage supply can intermittently interrupt communication between control modules and sensors. Control module monitoring strategy is an additional confirmed aspect. The engine control module continuously evaluates operating conditions, and certain transient conditions may trigger warning illumination without storing persistent fault codes. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery disconnection resetting learned values, environmental operating conditions, or short-duration load changes. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include scanning for diagnostic trouble codes even if the light turns off, inspecting ignition and fuel system components, checking sensor signals and wiring integrity, and verifying engine operating conditions under load. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and engine-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that flickering check engine lights are often associated with misfire-related conditions or intermittent signal issues rather than permanent component failure. Outcomes vary by model year, engine configuration, and service history. In conclusion, Ford Escape check engine light flickering is typically linked to misfire detection events, intermittent sensor signals, fuel or ignition irregularities, electrical integrity concerns, or control module monitoring behavior. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.